Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been wanting to do this tutorial for forever, but yeah, here I am finally doing it. So this is a Lady Gaga inspired look from her music videos with Beyonce, Telephone. So in the music video, she had herself wrapped in the crime scene tape from the police, and I did my best to recreate this look using tape that I bought from Amazon, and I did my best to recreate her makeup look too. And this is the finished look, so I hope you guys are interested, and if you are, please stay tuned and let's keep on watching. We are going to start off with my foundation routine. Now my foundation routine, I feel like it's the same every single time, so I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part, and of course I'm gonna list all of the products that I use down below in the description box. The closest picture that I got of Lady Gaga in the Telephone videos. So pretty much, I believe that she only has a very simple cut crease, very simple and strong cut crease with red lips. So here is what she was wearing for her makeup. So you can see that there is not much eyeshadows going on. She pretty much just has a black cut crease and white base and very heavy eyeliner and lashes, and of course her dark red lips. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and get started with. I use my Too Faced Peach palette, Sweet Peach palette, I believe, yeah. Start off with white peach, so it's just a white base, and I'm gonna put it all over my lid to set the foundation base that I just put on. Next, I am going in with a blending brush, and I'm going to go into pure brown color and just put that all over my crease. And blend this out very, very well. Alright, now I'm going in with a small and more defined brush like this one right here. You can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much draw a crease over my real crease. So tilt your head back like this to find the crease, and I'm going to start drawing. This way it makes your eyes look more cartoony, and it makes your eyes look very dramatic. I am going back with the blending brush that I just used without dipping in any product. I am going to slightly blend the crease out, just very, very slightly. So pretty much I'm just going to use the tip of this brush to blend it out. I'm not going to press the whole brush into my crease. I'm just going to lightly go over it, so to soften out any harsh line, but we don't want to soften it out all the way, if that makes sense. So just lightly go over it. As you can see, I'm not even swirling my brush. I'm just going to go back and forth, just like a windshield wiper. Just go back and forth to blend this out. Pop out the crease even more. I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelid, and I'm going back in with a flat brush like this one. So this one just came with the Urban Decay Naked palette, but you can pretty much just pat this. And to cover the messiness underneath that line that we just did, more concealer, so I'm just going to get a little bit more concealer onto my brush and kind of define the wing a little bit better. So we pretty much just create a thick crease that looks like a shape of the wing above our real crease. More time back in with a fluffy brush without dipping in any extra product. Go over the top one more time just to make sure everything is blended. Okay, moving on to eyeliners. So as in the picture, she has very strong and defined cat eyes, and pretty much I think that the cat eyes of the eyeliner will connect to the end of the cut crease. So today I'm going to be using the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX. I love this eyeliner because not only it is affordable, it is also very waterproof. Like, it's the most waterproof I've ever seen in an eyeliner other than Kat Von D. Even though I use the Kat Von D eyeliner, it still smudge, but this one, it doesn't smudge at all. So very highly recommend it. So as you can see, the tip of this brush is awesome. It gives you a lot of control. So I'm going to drag this out until it connects with the cut crease. And of course, she has black eyeliner all around her rim of the eyes. I'm not going to do that with this liquid eyeliner because I am wearing contact lenses, otherwise I would. I'm going to darken, thicken the outer corner a little bit more. Since lashes are on, I'm going to be going in with a black eyeliner. This is the Ulta Gel Eyeliner in Blackout. And I'm just going to tightline my upper lash line and also my lower lash line. Go back in with this black brush with a black eyeshadow, tempting, and go over the tight line that I just did. And as you can see, what I'm doing here is that I am connecting the tight line with the wing that I just did. So really smoke it out. I'm going to go back in with the fluffy brush. Fluffy brush. And this time I'll be going back in with Pure. This color right here. Just lightly. And I'm going to blend out and really smoke out the lower lash line. Using my Babe in Paradise by Bretman Rock, I'm going to go in with these two gold color right here. In the picture, she doesn't even show her brows, So I'm just gonna skip my brows, to be honest, because yeah, because why not? Okay, so this is the wig that I'm going to try to put on. She's not fancy, she's not a front lace or like full lace or anything. I just ordered her from Amazon, but to be honest, the color, like, really pretty, and I like the dark roots. So, oh, and by the way, I couldn't find any wig cap, so I'm just gonna attempt to put it on without a wig cap and to see how that goes, because in the picture, Lady Gaga has her hair down or like up in a bun anyway, so I'm just gonna try to do that and we'll see what happens. Okay, so after I tie my hair down like that, I'm gonna pop her on. Let's see how it works. So here is the construction of the wig. We have some rubber band here and some cap, as you can call it. Let's see what is going on here. Oh, what is going on here? I have no idea. Okay, I'm just not gonna touch it. Alright. So in the photo, she has it wrapped around her neck and wrapped up to both sides of her ears and across her forehead. So I'm gonna do some. But before that, I'm gonna put on some lipstick. Okay. I'm gonna be using Kat Von D lipstick, liquid lipstick in the color Vampire. I'm going to line my lip first with NYX lip liner pencil in the shade Burgundy. Please excuse my wig, I cannot control it.